Hey guys, it's Michael from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect lamb and chicken gyro and homemade tzatziki. Let's get started. So the first step is we're going to grab our chicken thigh fillets. We pick these ones up from Coles, but you can get them from any butcher, anywhere like that. The key is skin off. We're going to flatten these out so they're a nice even consistency. And we've also got our mini shoulder roast, and this is from Coles as well. So we're going to flatten these out, and the key for this is to make sure that they're about the same size as your gyro discs. We'll be using flamingcoals gyro rub to season all of our meat today. Make sure you flip them over and season both sides. So we've just finished with the chicken thighs and we've pushed them to the side. Now it's time to get started with our lamb shoulder. This is about the consistency you're looking for, about 10 mil thick and about the size of your gyro disc. And the reason for this is when you go to carve, it's just going to make cutting a lot easier. We've got the chicken and the lamb all ready to go, and we've got our flaming coal skewer, and we put the gyro disc on, and we're just going to use that as a base to start building our gyro. Now it's time to prepare the salad. And now it's time to make our authentic homemade tzatziki. So we've just done our first carve of the gyro. Now we've got our tzatziki, our salad, our meat, all ready to go. So first step, we're gonna get some tzatziki, big dollop, and put it straight down on the bread. Fingers, who cares? We're all friends here. Load that up. Now this is the chicken and the lamb. Then we get some lettuce, some onion. All right, now there's only one thing left to do. We're gonna get a real Greek in to test this food.
Acceptable.